Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Abus Wavyline Pro here. It's got 6 top pins and 4 ball bearings. I think they're just more for key control than anything, but they do have to be set. And you can see the weird bitting on the key. It's not so much cuts as it is the angles on the key itself are cut instead of cutting cuts into the key. I'm gonna set these ball bearings. Alright, that was 1, 2, 3. I think that was 4. I believe we've set them all. We'll find out in just a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One's binding hard. Oh, sorry, that was 2. I got a little bit of core movement there. Trying to stay off this ledge, or stay on this ledge, I should say, so I don't get confused with what's counter rotation and what's feedback from this tensioner. There we go. I was testing out these 25 thousandths law locks, and so far I really like them. If anybody was wondering about getting them, let me see. Keep this thing from falling over. There we go. Let me knock it over. We're going to lock it back up. If I can get this off. There we go. Here's the key. We can see the 4, whatever those are that interact with that those ball bearings. So we're going to shim this because I have no idea what to expect when it comes out. Come on. I'm already dropping stuff. Set that there. It's almost like a sidebar, but I don't believe it comes out. All right, let's dump these key pins. All right, there's 6. There's this little ball bearing. We'll sit right there till we figure out where it goes. 5. That's interesting. It's got a sharp little taper on it, which really doesn't help pick resistance, because you really created a lot bigger shear line when you do that. See if any of these come out or do anything. I guess basically when you push them up, or push them in, they're like that. When you set them to the right height, they fall down, I guess. But they don't seem to come out. Guess that's where that went. All right. Check out what's in the top. I'm curious to see what these are. All right, got a fat standard in 1, spool in 2. All right, we got a little angled side pin. We'll put that up here. Put that one there. That there. Probably should have used a slightly bigger file. We got a little bump stop barrel there. And another barrel. There's drill for 5, but they only had 4 of these populated. So I'm not sure what that's about, but they correspond to the same 4 there. And they have an angle to them there. I think you can see that kind of that angle, and they'll sit like that. So pushing the ball bearings, I guess, sets these. I'm not going to dump the springs. We've all seen springs before. And I'm guessing this little sidebar thing is just to keep the ball bearings, and whatever these are, keep them in the plug. So that's about it, guys. The Avis Wavyline Pro. Thanks for watching.